Hey guys, and welcome to Newbie Investor. So in this video I want to cover two things. First of all, what the purpose of the channel is, and second of all, who am I? So the purpose of this channel is to first and foremost share what I've learned by trading and investing stocks, ETFs, crypto, etc. Second of all, I want to kind of take you with me on that journey, becoming a better investor, developing my business knowledge, how to better trade the markets, and so on. And hopefully that will inspire you to kind of, take a more hands-on approach with your financial assets too. And thirdly, I kind of want to create a two-way discussion so that we can both learn and grow together. Learn to better manage our money, better manage our finances, being able to kind of put those money into the market, getting a good return on it, hopefully. And yeah, until eventually, hopefully, we become financially independent. And then a little bit about myself. So who am I? I'm not a cat, I'm not Spider-Man, but I am someone who likes to trade stocks. I imagine most of you probably have the same experience as me. So I first kind of got exposed to the financial markets in high school. So what happened was I kind of stumbled upon one investing trading platform, and I kind of saw that you could trade stocks, you can trade ETFs and so on, which was very interesting at the time. But I didn't have any real money, so even though it was interesting, my interest kind of faded out a little bit as time went by. So fast forward several years later, I'm in university, I'm studying finance, I'm studying management, I'm studying, marketing. And kind of I start thinking maybe, I should look into investing again. And the good thing there was that I had a massive library to my, that I could access, and I could go through all the books there that covered investing, and that was actually quite good because most of these books were very, very, very expensive, and I didn't have that kind of money. But I was paying for university, so that was good. And then the other very important thing that happened was that I started to work and I started making some money, which I could then put into the markets. And I created an eToro account and I started trading a little bit with disastrous results initially, but as time went on, I was getting a bit better, but it still wasn't like that much money. And once I went through my industrial placements, where I worked as an accountant, even though I managed to make some more money working and in the market, eventually I needed those, so I had to take them all out. But fast forwards another couple of years or so, and what happens? I'm having, I have a decent salary, I'm making more money. I can kind of like put some money aside, put it in the markets, start making some money. The longer I leave them in there, the better return it gets. So I'm getting a bit more excited. But at this time, I'm just copying other traders. I'm not trading the stocks actively myself, which is something that I wanted to learn how to do, because I felt that if I just copied other people, then I'll never learn the skills that will allow me to kind of become independent of them. I would always have to rely on other people. So that's why last year, when coronavirus struck and the markets were going wild, I kind of wanted to get in, but I thought I'll probably wait a bit. And then over summer, I was talking to my brother, I was talking to like some friends, they were into stocks, and I was like, maybe I should give it a go. So I did. I stopped copying people. I started kind of trading. So some of my money I was trading by myself, but I was still copying other people. And then eventually, I kind of moved to 100%. Managing my own money, which is quite interesting. But I'll talk about it later. So this is pretty much who I am. What I'm gonna bring to the table. And as you can probably tell, this is my first video channel as well, so the masterful professional editing skills obviously show that I'm a pro at this. But yeah, so keep an eye. I'm gonna have some steep learning curves here I'm gonna have to manage, but yeah, stay tuned and talk to you later.